guys, it's Kayla and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are well. I just want to say thank you so much for 200 subscribers. I'm so grateful to everyone who has subscribed, liked, comment, shared, anything. Thank you so much, and now we are on the road to 250 subscribers. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. So today I'm doing my curly hair routine. I'm basically going to be taking you through my step-by-step of what I do, so the products I use, how I do it, how I section my hair and stuff like that. So really hope you guys enjoy this video. So this is literally just my hair as I have washed it, and it's got a little bit of conditioner in it because my trick is like I don't wash out the conditioner, if that makes sense. So basically the first thing is the conditioner I actually use is the Tresemme Cleanse and Replenish Remoisture, so like the green Tresemme. I'll make sure I put pictures on the screen of the products I'm using and I'll link them below. So yeah, I use this conditioner and I just think it's really good. Like I've tried many conditioners and I just think the Tresemme, anyone, the moisturizing Tresemme conditioner is so good as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off by parting my hair down the middle, and then I'm just gonna section it because I just like doing my hair in sections. It may look a bit silly, but it's fine, it works out in the end. There's a method to my madness. So I just section it and I just get a little section. So I think I just section it into fours and I work with that. So then I'll put this in a bun as well. As you guys can see, like it's pretty dry and it's a bit like, I don't know, it's still defined, but I just got different types of hair like throughout my hair. So at the beginning I think I've got like 3C hair, I think, and then like at the back I've got like 4A, but I'm not too sure about it. But if you guys know what hair type I am, then please let me know, because you guys can see that these curls are a lot looser than the ones I have at the back. So first of all, I'm going to take the Tresemme conditioner, the same one that is in my hair already, and I'm literally just going to get a little bit out. So I'm just going to run it through all of my hair. Make sure that you're getting the ends as well, and you can just already see that it's already like tamed the frizz, if you know what I mean. So yeah, literally just put this through your hair. And then you can get a spray bottle as well just to help you. And this is what I normally do because I have dried my hair like with a t-shirt, because what I have learned is that my hair is less frizzy when I dry it with a t-shirt rather than a towel. So that's just a tip which has helped me, so you guys can do that as well if you want. And then next I'm going to take Frizz Ease Dream Curls Conditioner. I've got a curly hair range for curls, for natural curls. So I got this from like Superdrug, I think, but it's in Boots as well. You guys can order it online. Then I get literally just like the same amount of this as well, and I just run it through. So basically what I'm doing is I'm literally just coating it with conditioner first so that it's actually moisturized all around, and then after, and honestly it smells unreal, like it's so nice. And I just feel like more products with like, I don't really like thick products in my hair. Tresemme and the John Frieda conditioner is literally both what I put in my hair first. Next I have the Cantu leave-in conditioning cream. It just looks like this, it's just like a cream. And this one's thick, but it's like, it's more thick than like the conditioners which I've used, because obviously it's a leave-in conditioner, but it's like still like got a slip to it, if that makes sense. So then I'm literally just gonna spray a little bit of my water spray on it. So I'm literally just running it through my hair, just coating it on all my hair. And then sometimes I like lift these bits up, so I just make sure like I lift like the front piece so I can make sure I'm getting the back bits as well. So then I just get a bit more conditioner and just apply it onto the middle sections. I think that's the main thing as well when you're like doing your routine, because sometimes I like neglect like the back of my hair and just think like what's like on the outside, but if the back of your hair doesn't look good, then the whole like result won't. After I put this in, my hair's not going to be like how my hair is at the front because it's two different hair types. But then I'm just going to get a bit more of the Tresemme conditioner, because I just feel like after I put a thick product, I want to put like a thin. She just running this all the way through, and then that is just basically what I do. I finished this side, obviously like I've still got products in to put once it's like all done. I just wanted to show you guys the difference between like the hair that has literally just got a little bit of conditioner in, and then when I've like put all my products in, so you can just see that it's a lot more like less dry and it's more conditioned and stuff like that. And then here, like, don't get me wrong, it's still defined, but it's just not got any like zhuzh to it, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna go ahead and then finish this side, literally repeating the same exact steps. So putting the conditioner on, putting the drum feeder on, and then putting the Cantu, and then literally just like going in with my spray bottle. So guys, what I'm doing is I'm literally just spraying my water spray just to like coat my hair before I add products, and then once again going in with the Tresemme conditioner, literally just running my fingers through, make sure I'm getting like the front, underneath, all of the like little nooks and crannies. And then I'm gonna get the John Frieda conditioner again, and then I'm gonna get a bit of the water spray it, and then I'm just gonna run my fingers through once again, and you can bring them into the back as well, just like add more product. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna scrunch it up so that the curls can form. So this is basically what I'm doing, and this is what I do all the time. Also guys, what I think like has helped my hair grow, like the reason why like my curls are still like this, is because I think switching up your products all the time do work. Like this is what I'm using, like I've been using for like the past like 2 months maybe, but then like next month I may switch it up. But I've always used the Tresemme because I find like my hair gets immune to products, and then like it stops working after a while, if that makes sense. So guys, I'm finally on my last section now, and I'm literally just gonna once again Tresemme. Make sure you're working your product throughout your whole hair, and make sure you're getting it all in. Then just scrunch, then get the John Frieda, squeeze a bit. Oh, that's a bit too much. Oh my goodness, that was so much. Right, put that through, go on the back of the hair as well. What I like to do is to make sure that my middle has got it, because I feel like I don't know what it is, but my hair's a lot thicker at the back. So then what I always do is I just literally just get the Tresemme conditioner again, because I feel like this is the most like moisturising out of the bunch. I get it, and then I just put it down my hair like that, just so that those bits that do go frizzy, they won't go as frizzy. And then I just run it all the way down the hair. This also helps with my hair not shrinking loads, although when it dries it does shrink a lot. Literally all I do. Sometimes I massage it in, but this head massage was nice. I don't always do it, but massage the products in, stimulating growth, hair growth. This feels really nice actually guys, make sure you guys do this. Okay, I literally just do that. And that is really it. So I basically put in the Tresemme conditioner, the John Frieda and the Cantu leave-in conditioner on all of my hair in sections. I've worked my way through, and now what I do is I get the Vatica jojoba enriching hair oil. I don't really know how to say it. I'll put a picture of it on the screen so you guys can actually see what I'm saying. And this oil is really good for like repairing hair damage. Once I did it for a mask, like just on my hair, like I washed my hair, no products, nothing, and then I just put this in. So I literally just get a little bit of this oil, not too much. I put it on my ends because I noticed that my ends get like really dry, and then scrunch it, and it honestly smells unreal. I think this is an Indian oil as well, and I just love it. Like it's so good. And I literally just scrunch it. You can work your way up, but I just don't really, I feel like when I put oil at the top, like it weighs my hair down. Then this is my final step. It's probably my favorite. I use the Cream of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco, the Shine and Style Foaming Mousse. It's so good, and I literally just get it, and this just looks like that. It's so nice. And I literally just mix it in my hands, and I just scrunch up the bottom of my hair. Like this is so good. It literally, I just feel like it sets the curls. It doesn't dry crunchy, nothing. It literally just dries like this. Guys, this is my hair done. I've literally just put it in the side parting because it's just how I prefer my hair. But I hope you guys have got an insight into basically how I get my hair like this and the products that I use. I'll make sure I link all the products down below, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this. If you guys do, purchase any of these products, make sure you guys DM me on Instagram, send it to me on Snapchat, anything. Really hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial because it's been so requested. Everyone is all the time, whenever I ask like what videos you guys want to see with me, head to how do you get your hair curly hair, wet hair curly look, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, okay guys, I've given it. So I've given you guys what you wanted. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It's just a learning process. I think once you learn how your hair is, what products suit your hair, I think then your hair will start looking better, because I think I've only grasped that like the past like year, I'd say, but before like I was just trial and error using different products. So guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure if you did, you like, comment and subscribe. Please share with your friends and family, and thank you once again for 200 subscribers. I was honestly so shocked because obviously like I've reached it so quick, and yeah, I'm just so grateful and appreciative of all the love and support. Make sure you guys follow me on my social media accounts, on my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all of that. It will be linked down below in the description box. Let me know down below what hair tutorials you guys want me to do next. So I hope you guys are well and safe. Bye.